Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu and find sound recorder, then click on it. Now tap on the red button to start your recording and click allow 2 times. As you can see, my recording is now on. If you want to pause it, click at the same button. But if you want to save it, click at the square one and tap save. Then click on the same button to see a list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click at the spin icon at the bottom left corner and tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!